time, go! What the? God, oh no!
I will remember.
A nice day for a swing, isn't it?
This is child abuse?
Hey,
Taking your kid away?
excuse me, ma'am, that's my kid. That's my child. That's my kid.
Oh,
I'm gonna call the police.
do what you want, God.
I will call the police.
Okay, your kid is
I will pay for the ransom. Here, just leave my child. Just take my money. Just take my money. Just take my money. Just take my money.
I know you see somehow the world.
Fear not, child. I will save you. It's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Listen, buddy, I get it. Your mom left me, and now you have nothing. That's why I gave away our money, because she's not giving me enough child support, and I can't take care of you. So, I did the papers. You're no longer my child. Fuck you!